Hi friends, I'm going to show you how to make an aquarium using paper plates. So I'm going to use two paper plates. Here's one, and then here's the second one. I cut a hole out of the middle of this. Have mom or dad help you do that. That way you can see inside of your aquarium. You will need a plastic bag. You will need some fish stickers. I have just regular stickers, and then I have a foamy sticker. You will need a blue marker, and you will need a brown marker. So what you are going to do is take your plastic bag, have mom or dad help you with this, and have them cut just the end of it off. That gives you a cover for your aquarium hole. You're going to take that and then take some tape. So I've already cut some tape, and I'm going to put it on my plastic pieces to cover it up. Then what I am going to do is I'm going to color the water. I'm going to take my blue marker and I'm going to color the inside of my paper plate that I did not cut the hole out of. So that is the water. Now I'm going to use the brown one and pretend it's sand. So I'm going to make the sand down here. So next is the fun part. So you have your water and your sand. I am going to take my stickers, and the starfish I need to peel the back of. So I've got the back peeled off of it, and I am going to put it down here inside of the water. And then I'm going to take some of my fish and let them swim up above. When I'm done with that, I'm going to take the one that I covered with the plastic, and I'm going to take some staples and put them together. I'll show you one that I had finished earlier today. I used a seahorse on this one, and I even put some green in there to make it look like there was some seaweed. So you can be creative and do what you like with it, but this is a fun aquarium craft. Have a great time.